In front of me is FreeYond M6, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by launching Play Store and getting free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When it's ready, launch it. Then select OK in Welcome pop-up, tap on Timeout and make sure that Infinite is on. When you finished, go into Tab menu. Now click on this pen at the bottom right corner. Scroll all the way down and after locating Caffeine shortcut, hold it and drag it to your current ones. Place it wherever you want to, go back and click on it. As you can see, after that, Infinite Sleep Time is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!